Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Gnc Lean Shake Burn is probably one of the most talked about weight management supplements on the market, promising to not only aid in shedding those extra pounds but also to ignite your body's natural fat-burning capabilities, making it a compelling choice for anyone on a fitness journey seeking that extra edge in their weight loss endeavors. Number 5. Jacked Factory Burn XT Black. Introducing Burn XT Black, the ultimate thermogenic fat burner designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Experience a powerful blend of ingredients that support both energy and focus. This advanced formula works to boost your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It's the perfect partner for your fitness journey. Struggling with cravings? Burn XT Black acts as an effective appetite suppressant, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, enjoy a sustained energy boost without the jitters. Beyond fat burning, this supplement includes nootropic ingredients to enhance mental clarity and focus. Stay sharp and motivated throughout your day. Formulated with key ingredients like teacrine, acetyl L-carnitine, and green tea extract, Burn XT Black is crafted for maximum effectiveness. Achieve your desired results with this potent blend. Each bottle contains 90 vegetarian capsules, providing a convenient and effective way to support your weight loss journey. Make Burn XT Black your go-to supplement. What we like? This option offers a powerful thermogenic blend designed to boost your metabolism. It also includes nootropic elements for enhanced mental focus and energy. If you're looking for a comprehensive fat burner that supports both physical energy and cognitive function, this is a great choice. What people say? This product is a great meal replacement and tastes good. I have been using this product for a month and have lost 10 pounds. This product is a great way to stay full and satisfied throughout the day. Number 4. One Soul Fat Burner for Women. Unlock your body's natural potential. This supplement is designed to give your metabolism a gentle, effective boost. Enhance your body's calorie-burning capabilities. It helps you maximize your efforts to achieve your fitness goals. Experience a lift in your daily energy levels and improve your overall mood. Feel more vibrant and positive throughout your day. Take control of your appetite and reduce those nagging cravings. It helps you stay on track with your dietary goals. Enjoy sustained energy without the unpleasant side effects. You won't experience any crashes or jitters with this formula. Formulated with carefully selected, all-natural ingredients. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body. This product is made without gluten or soy. It's a clean choice for your wellness routine. What we like? Specifically formulated for women, this choice emphasizes natural ingredients for a smooth energy boost. It aims to curb cravings and improve mood without the unpleasant side effects. If you prefer a gentler, all-natural approach to weight management and want to avoid jitters, this is the one for you. What people say? This product is a great meal replacement and tastes great. I love this product. It is a great meal replacement and tastes great. I have lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks. This product is a great meal replacement and tastes great. I have lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks. I have lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks. Number 3. Force Factor LeanFire Advanced Thermogenic Fat Burner. Are you ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level? Introducing a powerful solution designed to help you achieve your goals. Experience the advanced thermogenic power of SlimBints. This cutting-edge formula is engineered to support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Feel the difference as it helps to boost your metabolism and increase your energy levels. You'll have the vitality you need to power through your day. Beyond physical benefits, it also sharpens your mental focus. Stay driven and concentrated on your path to a healthier you. Enriched with Vital B vitamins and the power of Cap-Cymax, this supplement provides comprehensive support for your wellness objectives. Take control of your weight loss with this effective supplement. It's formulated to be your trusted partner every step of the way. What we like? This product features an advanced thermogenic formula designed to significantly ramp up your metabolism. It's packed with B vitamins to support energy production and ingredients to sharpen your focus. If you need a potent metabolism-boosting solution that also helps with concentration, consider this option. What people say? This product is a great meal replacement and tastes great. I love the convenience of this product for a quick breakfast or snack. It helps me feel full and satisfied, which aids in my weight loss journey. Number 2. Jacked Factory Burn XT Max. Introducing Burn XT Max, the ultimate high-performance thermogenic fat burner. It's designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals effectively. This powerful formula targets stubborn fat with key ingredients like PRCAF, organic caffeine, and MetaBurn. Feel the difference as it boosts your metabolism. Struggling with cravings? Burn XT Max acts as an effective appetite suppressant, helping you stay on track with your diet. Manage your hunger with ease. Experience sustained energy and improved focus throughout your day. The blend of green tea and acetyl L-carnitine supports your active lifestyle. Crafted with premium ingredients, including organic caffeine and clinically studied compounds. This is your partner in achieving a leaner, healthier you. Each bottle contains 90 capsules, providing a full supply to support your journey. Get ready to transform your body and boost your confidence. What we like. This high-performance fat burner utilizes organic caffeine for clean energy and includes ingredients to effectively suppress appetite. It's designed for those seeking a robust solution for weight loss and hunger management. If you need a powerful tool to control your appetite and fuel your workouts with sustained energy, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This product is a great meal replacement and tastes good. It helps with weight loss and provides energy. The shake is easy to mix and has a good texture. Number 1. Force Factor LeanFire Pre-Workout Energy Pills. Are you ready to elevate your fitness journey? Discover the power within to push your limits and achieve your goals. Experience a surge of energy to power through your workouts. This formula is designed to help you build lean muscle and see real results. Harness the natural power of green tea extract for sustained energy. Feel revitalized and focused without the jitters. Get the most out of every training session. It provides the essential boost you need to perform at your peak. Take the next step towards a stronger, leaner you. It's the perfect companion for anyone serious about their fitness. Just one serving helps you unlock enhanced energy and muscle-building support. It's an easy addition to your daily routine. What we like. This option is tailored for pre-workout energy, providing a significant boost to power through your training sessions. It also contains ingredients aimed at supporting lean muscle development. If you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast looking to enhance your workout performance and build lean muscle, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This product is great for weight loss and has a good taste. I love the ingredients in this shake, they are all natural and healthy. It's easy to mix and doesn't leave any clumps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.